Namaskar students, this is Professor S. Lal, Professor of Mathematics and Computing, the Department of Science and Technology under the Faculty of Education and Methodology of Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. As per our session, today we shall discuss about unbiased efficient point and interval estimates. So overall, we are going to discuss about the result that is unbiased, the data that is supposed as unbiased, the stats, and I hope that this topic will alert you during any baseline survey or during any primary or secondary data collection, that here you will be saying that if a data is taken and if the investigator is biased, then what will be the impact of the data? What will be the impact on the outcomes of the data? And if the observer is unbiased, then what will be the impact of the result? So this is important fact of your numerical computation. See the quality of estimators. The desirability of an estimator is judged by its characteristics. The three important criteria are unbiasedness, consistency, and efficiency. These are the three important criteria for quality estimators. And unbiasedness is what? An unbiased estimator of a population parameter is an estimator whose expected value is equal to that parameters. Again, I am repeating, an unbiased estimator of a population parameter is an estimator whose expected value is equal to that parameter. Formally, an estimator mu cap for parameters mu is said to be unbiased if expectation of mu dash is equal to mu cap is equal to mu. So you can take this as a example. You are getting expectation of this, then you are getting the value this. Here you are getting the same value, here you are getting the same value. It is important to realize that other estimators for the population mean exist. Maximum value in a sample, minimum value in a sample, average value of the maximum, and the minimum value is in a sample. Being unbiased is a minimal requirement for an estimator. So students, I suggest you that you should also see the consistency. When a data or when an unbiased estimator is said to be consistent, if the difference between the estimator and the target population parameter becomes smaller, as we increase the sample size. Normally, an unbiased estimator mu cap for parameters mu is said to be consistent if v of mu cap approaches 0 as n tends to infinity. Here is example that can be used by you to explain your consistency factor. This is the efficiency, the last and the third parameters. Students, this session is powered by digital version 2.0 of the Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you are enjoying this lecture. In case of any query, feel free to write your query in the comment box. I promise to resolve your query from there. Thank you for listening me and enjoying this lecture.